Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Cash App. Dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain, save battery life, and give the app a sleek now look. To start, open your Cash App and log in. From the home screen, tap the profile icon on the top right corner to open your settings. Scroll down and until you find the appearance or display option. Tap on appearance and you will see the option to switch between light and dark mode. Simply select dark to enable dark theme immediately. If you want Cash App to match your phone system-wide theme, you can choose the system default option. This way, Cash App will automatically switch between light and dark based on your device's settings. Once enabled, you will notice the entire app interface switches to a darker color scheme, which is easier on your eyes, especially in light low environments. And that's it. Enabling dark mode on Cash App is quick and simple, helping you customize your app experience to suit your preferences. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.